Hi friends, how are you? Hope everyone's doing well. This side Tanvi with you today. And today we will learn about the soiling losses in PVsyst. This is our fourth lesson in PVsyst series. We have designed our PVsyst learning series with an idea of presenting the lessons in smaller and to the point for each steps, so that your attention and interest both will be with PVsyst and PVsyst only. Nothing else. Please subscribe now to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you will not miss our future uploads on PVsyst and solar PV system design. Without any further ado, let's start. We will explain the soiling loss in a grid connected system, and for simplicity, we are selecting an example site which is available in every version of PVsyst as default, so that it will help you to understand easily, without creating any new projects for this explanation tutorial. So open your PVsyst. And on the left side, there is grid connected button. Click on it. And here it is, the entire project design window. On the top project menu bar, click on the load. From here, we are selecting the project named as Demo Grid Connected System at Geneva. Now, as you can see, the project is loaded here. You can see the Mateo data source here is Meteonorm. We'll not change anything here. We'll keep the orientation, system configuration etc. unchanged. We'll directly go to the detail loss window. After the loss window opens, navigate to the soiling loss tab. Here, by default, no values have been considered for soiling. If you check the default box here, PVsyst will suggest 3% as default value for all type of projects. It doesn't consider the system type, capacity or even the location. You have to set the value by yourself. Also, just below the yearly loss factor, there is an option to set monthly soiling loss values. You can check this box to set the monthly values by yourself. Now, there are no hard and fast rule or formula for soiling loss. But with years of operational data collection and study of soiling loss, we have developed a predictive approach to determine soiling loss values. We have already discussed about the driving factors of soiling loss in our previous video. Please watch that video first to have better idea into soiling loss assessment. Link is in the description and also in the I button above here. Now, let's simulate a model in PVsyst. First, put a value here in yearly loss factor box. Say, we put 2%. Now, check this monthly soiling losses box here. On the right side, click on Set All as Year. This way, you uniformly distribute the loss value to all the months in a year. Now if you want to set separate values for each month, just simply delete that month value and change with your desired value. Like, we are decreasing soiling loss value for July, August and September to 1%, and from December to March, we are setting it as 3%. Now click OK. We are not changing other values here in detail loss window. And then in design window, click Run Simulation. After the simulation, open the report. Go to the bottom section of the first page. Here you can see the monthly soiling loss values as we have set earlier in the detailed loss window. Now go to the last page. Here in the loss diagram, you can see the yearly soiling loss value impacting the yearly energy generation. Okay, that's it for today's topic, guys. If you need more accuracy on soiling loss, then you should consider rainfall data to assess monthly soiling loss values in PVsyst. We'll show you how to get the rainfall data and how to assess the datasets to determine the monthly soiling losses in our next lessons of this series. Please let us know how did you find this video helpful in the comment section. We read all of your comments. And please like and share the video as much as you can. Do subscribe to our channel Minutes to Energy for more upcoming and interesting videos on solar PV system. Like how to start a solar business, how to design solar PV system and solar panel manufacturing process. Thanks for watching guys till the end. See you in the next video.